So guys, today is showing you guys my apartment tour. This is where I live. Can you see my neighbors there? They are whites, Italians, and a Slovenia. This is a Cape Verdean. It's an Italian property. You can see the apartment is giving. This is a plant that is dying because of the hot weather here. We got to climate, hot and cold weather. That is aloe vera plant owned by my neighbor. Let me show you guys very well. If I want to use the aloe vera, most time I will just meet him up, and they are not very hard. They will just say, okay, bring the knife and chop the one you want. I always told you guys that it's a protected apartment. Leaving this place will be very hard for me. Can you see the cameras? Look at the cameras. Whenever anybody comes to this place unannounced, you are going to be shocked that this camera already captured you. This apartment is for tourists. This is not for anybody who lives here. They change it like anyone that comes on vacation, they rent it for them. You can see the number. This is 10A. Every of the flats got their own numbers. Let me take you guys to the other parts. This is third floor, and there is a cupboard. They store things in this place. Can you see? It's a very beautiful apartment. The owner of the apartment, as I said before, is an Italian. Can you see the camera there? There was a time somebody said that having camera everywhere is something she don't really like, because your privacy will not always be there, but these cameras are okay. If you watch my video where I talk about how these people attack themselves, if you are living in an environment where some persons wants to pick on you and you don't have issues with people, but this particular group of persons want to pick on you, having a camera is good, because when they want to think of anything, they will think about the camera. There is a camera in this place. So you can see the step to the third floor. I am taking you guys down to the second floor. It's all about living in Cape Verde. I love my life here. Simple life, oh, simple life. I don't really have money now, but I am living my simple life. Can you see this place? It's a very beautiful apartment. This is room 4. This used to be my apartment before. You see this 5A? This was my former apartment. And the name of this apartment, I know many of you want to know the name. I don't want to mention the name. You see, this is also an Italian, and the guy that just passed, he is a Senegalese. He was the one I told you guys that picked on me. The camera was just able to capture him. You see? But I did not capture his face because I don't want his face to show. Some of them watch my videos. You can see these other parts. Can you see? I don't want to go inside for some reasons. Can you see? It's a beautiful apartment. Beautiful apartment. This my 1-bedroom flat I was before I packed out, was a 300 escudos, which is 33,000 escudos. That is 300 euro, I mean. You can watch my video on my apartment costs. I shared every of the details you need to know there. This is the other side. It will be a short video. It will be a very short video. It's not going to be long. I just want to show you guys the tour of, you see that? It's a Nigerian. It used to be for white. After the white moved out, a Geveda packed in. After the Geveda packed in, our Nigerian packed in with his Sierra Leone girlfriend. I was supposed to be the one to take this place before, but when I see that there are no cameras in the front, did you see camera here? There are no cameras. This is the side view. Can you see these people? They love plants a lot. Can you see the plant? The plants are beautiful. So very beautiful. This is the sunny time here in Cabo Verde. I think they just watered them this morning because they don't want them to die. Look at the windows to those apartments. Can you see, guys? It's a very beautiful place. Beautiful and cozy. Let me take you guys down. Because I want to show you guys everywhere. So this is the step from the second floor to the third floor. Can you see? We always open this window. Can you see the outside? That building is so beautiful. And this. Did you see the fire extinguisher? You can use it, anybody can use it. You already know what fire extinguisher is. When there is a fire outbreak, this extinguisher, you use this fire extinguisher to quench the fire. I don't really know how to use this, I need to be honest, but the owner of this property taught me for some minutes, but honestly speaking, I can't really use it, and I'm here to tell you guys that I cannot use it, and we are praying for nothing of such to happen. In the name of Jesus, nothing of such will happen. This is the other neighbors. Can you see the other neighbors? As I'm doing this apartment tour now, that person that I captured, that black guy, because of the hate they hate on themselves, he's not going to be happy. They don't want to see me with this camera. But if it's a white person that is doing this, they will be happy. They will be happy, but they don't want to see me with cameras. You see the other parts? I don't want this video to be a long one. It's just a short one. I will take you guys. Can you see the room numbers? The flats, because they are all flats. 3-bedroom flats, 2-bedroom flats, 1-bedroom flat. This is the plant I showed you guys from the top view. It's a very beautiful apartment. Can you see the sky? Can you see the sky? Oh my gosh. It's giving time. This fire extinguisher is very good. There is a time somebody apartment, I think they are guys doing party and the fire just break up. This is what they used before the fire brigadiers came and they quenched down the fire. Something about Cabo Verde, you know, it's an island, it's a small country. They are very quick to call. That is when there's an emergency, they don't take time to meet up with you. That is something that makes me to love this place. I think this is the basement as it's being called, right? English people, is it supposed to be basement? This is the downstairs when you are coming to this apartment. The entry, and this is also the exit. It's only one exit. You see this place here? It's a cupboard. It's a cupboard where they store things, and these are my neighbor's bicycle. You see? My neighbor's bicycle. Anybody can put their bicycle here. Even in this place, there are also cameras here. There are also cameras here. So So guys, how is the apartment? And something I want to add to it is that they clean this apartment 3 times a week. I wanted to say twice, 3 times a week. That is how they do it. You that live in this apartment, you don't clean your doorstep. People come to clean it. That is it. So, and the apartment here is that whenever anything is faulty, you don't have the right to fix it yourself. You have to tell the owner of the apartment. If it's something she can fix, she fixes it. But if it's something that is minor, he will just tell you, okay, you can do it yourself. But honestly speaking, in most cases, she faces every of the issues herself. That is something that makes me to love this place. Yep. So guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate you all for being part of my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye. Obrigado. I'm a Nigerian living in Cabo Verde Island.